Good morning, everyone. Welcome you again. Now, I think all of you have gone through that numerical, is it? So, Michael is asking one question about that numerical. There is a confusion between Michael. Are you there? Am I audible to you? Okay, thank you. Okay, Michael, what you are asking is it's your, it's also correct. Okay, you can also use that I by L also for the finding of that stiffness. As we are using this absolute stiffness, you are talking about relative stiffness. They both are same. So I have already talked with the Junaid sir also. He taught you as I by L because when there is the E value is same, there is no use of using that E value again and again. For that, we can easily directly use also I by L. So after using that I by L also, you will get the same value. Okay. So that is a similar thing. So you can also use I by L or also or E by L. You will get the same answer. Just try once. Okay. By using both the formulas, you try to do once, you will get the same values. Okay. Okay, let's can just a minute. Okay, there is a confusion for this for EI by L. So when you use I by L also, you will also get the same value. Okay, so you can use the both one I by L or for EI by L. You will get the same answer. This is for absolute stiffness, and you can also use the relative stiffness. Finally, we will get the same value. So all of you, please try to do with the both by using both the formula as 4 EI by L or I by L. Okay. But just remember, in place of I, you need to write 3I, and in place of this, you need to write 2I. As it is given in the beam, as per that value, you have to use, okay, I value. So you use that and try to solve this numerical, okay? So let's go through one different type of numerical, okay? Different means it's almost similar with the previous one, but there is a simple difference here. As you can see in this numerical, the point load is given exactly at the center of this BC span, okay? This span BC, it is exactly given at the center. So for this, we need to use different. So again, here also you see there is some practice numerical. All of you go through this. You will need to do it. Here it is this 60 kilometer. It is given at the different A and B value is different. Here it is A and B value is same. So for that, we need to use this. I will give some another numerical from the books. So all of you practice that one. Okay. Michael, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Um, did you? I think you have tried for by using the board. Is it? And you are getting
Yes, sir. I
exactly
tried
the
both.
getting the same value.
Yes, sir. Exactly same, sir.
Yes, you will get the same value because you can use that one also. So why you are using that I by L? I just talked with Janet sir. He said that he taught you like I by L. Is it? So
Yes, sir.
because as you can see, the E value is same throughout the beam. If the E value is same throughout the beam, then you can directly use I by L. There's no difference. But as per the condition, you need to sense that. Okay, if it is fixed, if it is
Yes, sir.
hints, then as per that you need to use. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
it's
Sir, if it seems okay, we can use 3EI, right? Or we
yeah,
can use this one also, same
yes,
same
yes,
thing.
yes, yes. You will get the same value. Exactly, you will get
Yes,
the
sir.
same value.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yeah, thank.
you try to do by using the board and check it. You are getting the same or not. I think you have already did it. You are checking that AI,
Yes, sir.
and you will get the exactly
Both
the same
question
value.
same, sir.
Yes, yes, you will get the same.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If still there is any confusion, you just once talk with Junit sir also. Okay.
No, sir. It's fine, sir. Sir, I understand now. Same,
Okay,
sir.
okay,
Same
okay,
value.
fine. Okay, fine. So we'll not start a new topic today. Okay, all of you please try to go through this numerical and try to solve it. And I will give you some extra, some other numerical to try to solve in the PDF also. What which I have given already to you. There are so many numerical. So just give me a second. So you can go through this PDF also. There are some practice numericals are given. So all of you please go through this. Okay, they are all are well explained in the step by step. And I think all of you also already got this moment distribution before. So there is, I think you will easily understand. Still, if you have any doubt and any confusion, you can ask me. Okay, which numerical we discussed today? Is there any doubt? Anyone else except Michael? Only Michael is asking some doubt, and Rakesh is asking today some question. Rakesh, is it clear to you the distribution table? Are you there present? Okay, fine. Is there anyone else, anyone except the first class present in this class? Kapur is asking one question. Okay, Kapur, I will send all the diagram and all this to your group. Okay, so please refer that for your reference because to draw in the laptop by using mouse it's very difficult in the class. So I will send all these things to your class group. All of you please go through that also. Anyone have any more doubts regarding these things? Is there anyone who is absent in the first class but present in this class now? Please give me your attendance, or else I will give all the same attendance to the in the previous class. Those who are present in the first class, no need to give again. Okay. If there is anyone who is absent in the first class, please give your attendance. All of you please go through the numerical ones, okay? If there is any doubt, all of you please ask that, okay? Those who are present in the first class, no need to give the attendance again, okay? If anyone is joining in the second class only, please give your attendance. Others, no need.
Sir,
Yes, ma'am.
I have one question, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Sir, like, can this method do we also apply in field manually, or we use software?
Which?
Like, can we also do engineers apply this method in site calculation,
Yes,
or we
yes,
use
yes.
manual?
Yes, yes. For manual calculation, for frame, all these joints. When you do your building project at this time, na? In your final year
Yes, sir.
project,
Yes,
when
sir.
you use building project, when we analyze the beam and all these things, you need to use this moment distribution method. There are different method. One is Carnage method, moment distribution, and slope deflection. So this one is the easiest one, and this is mostly used method. This moment distribution method
Oh, okay, sir.
for the building project. So when you are using this building project, when you analyze the frame, all this frame and all these things, then you need to use this, because this is the method how by using that you can easily say with how the moments are distributed among the beams and all these joints. Okay, that's why it is applied at the joint
Yes,
distribution factor, all the carryover moment. So from one slab to another slab, from one beam to another beam, how the moments are distributed, how the moments are carryover, how we need to balance this moment. All you can say by using this method only. This is the main most
okay, sir.
used method manually.
Oh, okay, sir.
For every joint you need to use this. When you do your building project na, in this final semester, when you analyze, when you calculate the load distribution and all these things, then you need to use this method.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay. I think all. Do you have any previous year reports with you?
Yes, I have one report, sir.
Okay, in that you check that in there also you will get this. They have used this. If
Oh, okay,
they
sir.
did
Okay, sir.
manually, then definitely they have used this.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, then everyone, thank you all. We'll continue in the next class. Okay, I will send some numerical to you also. All of you, please try to do that. It's very simple. Once you do one or two, it will be very easier for you to do. Just remember the steps. Nothing else you have to remember. Just need to remember the steps and the formulas which we need to use as per the loading, as per the support. So just use that and try to solve this numerical. Okay. Okay. Thank you all.